Sitting here about to log in and do some paperwork, and I hear somebody out here with one of the Mustangs. Let's go check this car out. Oh yeah, it just happens to be the Fox Body Cobra with a turbo. Give it a little rev up, AJ. Give it a little rev up. Well, you can definitely hear the turbo in that exhaust. So here's what we know about this car. This came from one of our very good customers. He purchased it as a pretty much completed project, thinking he was going to spend a little time and effort on it, and did not. But what he was told, one, everything is in our description on the website, but obviously, as you can see, it's turbocharged. It's got exhaust and headers, custom intake. This is a clone Cobra according to the VIN number, but it has all the proper badging, and it was a fully disassembled car for paint. As you can see, even down to the calipers, stainless steel brakes, tires, wheels, the car is perfect. There are no sloppy paint edges. Everything was disassembled, reassembled, badged correctly, and basically a sleeper, because even though these cars, if it was a real Cobra, was a pretty nasty car in its day, it's nothing compared to what it is right now with this turbo. Dual electric fans, aluminum radiator, just the list goes on. The info's on the website. I hate to ask you to refer to that, but this just kind of caught me. He was moving stuff in the building. I knew this was outside, but I have not yet catch a video of this car running to hear it, so I had to jump up and get out here to do it. Amazing car, definitely a sleeper. It is not ready for the track. From what he told us, it has not ever been tuned since it was put together, so it really should be properly tuned to get the mixture, fuel, air, everything right. No expense spared on the car. Anywhere you look, the car is legit and properly built. Show quality, 100% show quality. I mean, just spick and span clean. Even the hood prop, look at that. The hood latch, all matching hardware. Cervini's fiberglass hood. Beautiful car, man, just absolutely beautiful. Still a driver if you want to carry your family around. Of course, manual, aftermarket stereo. Really nice car. Not a rust bucket, not a fixed up piece of junk. It does have cutouts, I forgot about that. If you want to run it with cutouts, you can. Very impressive car. Glad he got it out today so we could hear it run and take a quick look at it. If this one doesn't suit your fancy, jump on the web to get the info on that one, or take a look at its brother, the convertible red with white top 5.0. That's a cool car too. Both are on the website, full details. Don't have the time to walk back inside, but that's a beautiful car with some very impressive upgrades under the hood, but still a completely stock appearing car. Thanks for watching. DavisAutoSales.com, Above Average Trucks YouTube channel.